Hello, welcome. This is The Power of Makeup. My name is Michaela Robinson.
And my name is Jeremiah Robinson, and today I'll be demonstrating a basic makeup tutorial on Michaela. Let's get started with the eyebrows. First, I'll be taking just like a spoolie, and I'm going to brush out her eyebrows just to get more of the shape of them.
And what kind of eyebrow stuff are you using?
I'll be using Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and this is just a dip brow pomade. I'll be using the color Ebony. I'm going to take a regular angle brush and dip it in there just to get some of the product on there. And starting from the bottom, I'm just going to follow the shape of her eyebrows.
What's the most difficult part about doing the face?
Probably just making sure you're not using too much product. You want things to look more natural.
When did you start wearing makeup?
When I was about 14, and I didn't start off so good, but you just have to learn with what looks better on your face.
What kind of difficulties did you have?
I was using the wrong color of makeup, basically, just too light, and whenever someone would use the flash on my face, then it would show up too much, so it didn't look right anymore.
Like you look white or something?
Yes.
Ooh, like a ghost?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a good angle this way?
Yes, that's good. Sometimes it's hard to do the left side.
You want to turn my chair?
Yes, that's better. Oh my goodness.
This is nice. You're doing this for me.
Of course. It's always good to get some practice.
I can't help but laugh.
Once eyebrows are done, then it's time to move on to the concealer. Today I'll be using the MAC Pro Long Concealer. This just helps clean up the brows. Squirt a little bit on my hand. Taking a flat brush, and I'm just going to follow the shape of her eyebrows. Do you usually use concealer when you do your eyebrows?
Not at all. I can't find the way how to do it correctly. We'll see how yours turns out.
Okay.
What are the how come do you wear makeup?
Basically just to enhance my beauty.
How often do you wear it?
I try to wear it at least, I would say, 5 times a week. I like to have a couple of breaks.
Dang, that's a lot.
Yeah, but I enjoy wearing it, so I don't do it just for the look of it.
You wear it to work?
A very light amount. I'll do my eyebrows and my eyelashes because those really pop.
Oh, yeah. And then, these aren't going to look perfect right now, but at least a little something. Let's blend this out right now. Aw, I knew you were going to get your shirt messed up.
That's okay.
Is it like really bad? Well, once we get the finished product, it'll be all right.
Yes, everything always comes together in the end.
And I was laughing a little bit.
Yeah.
So I could have messed up the product.
That's okay.
I decided to wear all black today so that it really can show how good the face looks.
Now we're gonna go ahead and start blending.
kind of colors do you want to do for the eyeshadow?
I'm thinking about doing like an orange and add like a little bit of pink on the lids, but orange in the crease.
Where did you get your most of your products from that you use on your face?
Basically some online and then just some in store in Sephora or Ulta. I'm just gonna be using a blending tool to put this more into your skin.
Do you do other people's face sometimes?
I'll do other people's eyebrows sometimes.
Okay, that's it? Not their whole face?
No, unless somebody asks me, but a lot of people like the way I do my eyebrows, so.
Isn't it kind of hard to do other people's eyebrows?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, because I know I do mine a different way than you do yours. Especially because I don't use concealer.
Alright, now we're just going to take some concealer and start priming her eyelids. We're using the same matte concealer.
I like getting my eyelash extensions instead of wearing mascara because it's like less messy.
And you don't have to worry about putting it on every day.
Yeah, they're always there. Of course they fall out, but that's why I get a fill-in every 3 weeks. It's a pretty good thing to do. I think and it looks really like natural and pretty. I found this out in like July, and I think I'm just gonna stick with it. We'll see if I ever go back to mascara.
But sometimes that'll be kind of a lot on your money to have to pay for pay for it all the time.
Yeah, but the place I go to, it's only like $45 for a fill-in. Some places, they charge $100. So I think, and $100 and up. So I think I do a good job who I chose to go to.
Now we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe eyeshadow. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this color called Alert.
Ooh.
On her crease.
The crease is where?
It's just above the eyelid. It's where the crease happens when you open your eye.
Oh. Do you always wear highlight too?
Yes, especially on my nose. It just makes your nose look a little smaller.
Better for me to keep my eyes closed right now?
Yes.
All right. Is the color showing up really nice?
Yeah, it looks like a nice orangey color. Turn your head a little bit.
How much is this for you to do this for me? I forgot to ask you.
Normally, if I were to do someone else's face, I wouldn't charge much, probably $30.
Oh, wait, $30. Because you're not like a professional yet?
No, not at all.
What kind of profession do you want to go into? Is it going to be hair and makeup?
Probably not hair and makeup. I'm still thinking about it.
Interesting. At least you got time to think about it.
Definitely. You don't want to regret anything.
Yeah. So what color is that one?
Oh, we're going to be using the color Lolly.
Lolly, huh?
It's a nice pink, glittery, gold color.
When did you get this palette?
Probably about a year ago.
And is that the only palette you use?
From day to day, yes.
Oh, okay. My eyelashes are in the way, huh?
No, they're just fine.
Oh.
So we're done with eyeshadow, and now we're gonna go ahead and get started with foundation. Because I don't think Michaela likes eyeliner, so we're gonna skip that. We're gonna use the MAC Studio Finish foundation today. I'm gonna pour just a little bit on my hand. You don't need too much. We're just gonna go ahead and dot this on her face. and work it in by section.
Did you want to use concealer under my eyes too?
Yes, that will go basically in your T-zone, your forehead, under your eyes, and your nose. Sometimes I add that on my chin, but sometimes I skip it.
Do you think I would need it today?
I'm just gonna add foundation.
Well, maybe let's add a little bit of concealer, see how I look.
Okay. You always want to talk to the client just to see what they're wanting. Oops, sorry.
It's okay, my eyelash was down. How long does it usually take you to do your full face?
When I'm not rushing, about 25 minutes, because when I do my eyeliner, that takes me a little bit of time.
Oh, for sure.
Mouth closed. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add concealer.
Was that enough foundation on my face?
Yeah, you don't need too much. Just a little bit under the eyes, forehead, nose, do the chin. Blend that in.
Do you have to put foundation on top of that?
No, concealer just highlights, so foundation, we're already done with that.
Oh, okay.
So once that is taken care of, then I go in with a little bit of powder, because that kind of just sets, that goes ahead and sets under eye and basically your T-zone once again.
Do you think that's too light for me?
If you just use a little bit, it's fine.
Oh.
I am using the Morphe powder in the color Banana.
Banana, that's cute. Where'd you get that from?
I got this from Ulta.
Do you have a membership with them? Because I know a lot of their products are very expensive.
No, I don't. I just get it at price.
Full price?
Yes.
Oh man, my eyelash.
Oh, they fell.
One fell. Oh no.
This is why I don't get eyelash extensions.
But they're supposed to come out. That's a healthy eye lash. Am I looking bad?
No. I think it's really coming together. Alright, so once that is set, I'm going to go ahead and add some blush. And this one broke, but I wish I knew what the name of this was because it's one of my favorites. It just kind of goes in. No, not yet. That's for contour, but we're not going to be using that today. And I actually put this blush like all over my face just to give me like more color. Alright. I put too much sometimes, but I just like the way it looks.
Did you put too much today?
Yes. And now we're going to go ahead and do our highlighter, and I'm using the Anastasia in the color Amrezi. That is how you pronounce it. And this is just going to go right here. And then I add it on the tip of the nose, the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow.
You know a lot of the names. Very nice.
I watch a lot of makeup tutorials. And then we're going to go ahead and finish off her look with some setting spray. It'll all dry.
And what kind of setting spray is that?
And this is called the NYX Matte Finish.
Oh, so I have a matte finish, huh?
Yes.
All
And
right.
sometimes I'll go ahead and add highlighter in the inner corner, and this is the Luna. Take a pencil brush, add that right there, and she's all set.
Well, thank you. Jemai did a great job. I'm looking forward to seeing it.
Mhm.
And this was The Power of Makeup. Thanks for being here with us today.
Thank you.
Okay, good job, Jemai.
Let's go. Got something right here.
How you think it look? Right now, the